Turuan kita?
Bago ang lahat, ako nga pala si Ara and welcome sa aking vlog. Tara na at makinig ka at talakayin natin ang patungkol sa psychological statistic at sasagutin natin ang paano bumubuo ng null at alternative hypothesis.
Ngayon, andito ako para ipaliwanag sa inyo kung paano nga ba binubuo ang null at alternative hypothesis.
Oh my God!
Null hypothesis is a statement that there is no effect, no difference, or no relationship between variables. It is the default assumption that researchers try to test or improve. And here's the alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is a statement that there is an effect, a difference of relationship. It is what researchers effect or what's to support. Example, there is a difference in test score between group A and group B, and the new drug does affect blood pressure. In simple terms, null hypothesis, walang pagbabago o walang epekto. Ang alternative hypothesis, may pagbabago pero may epekto.